Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my CapCut PC application. And first of all, we need to import a video we want to edit. And we can also import audio or images as well. And click on import button and then choose the video you want to edit. For example guys, I'm just going to edit for example, I'm going to edit this video. We can click on open, and then I'm going to add this video to the track or the timeline. Okay, once you put the video on this timeline, you will be able to edit it. Okay, and I'm going to show you the editing tools on CapCut PC you can use to edit our video. You can go to the section if you want to insert something such as text, audio, sticker, effect, transition, filter, or adjustment. You can go to the section, and then you can go to the section to split your video, add beat mark, and then freeze your video, reverse, and mirror, and rotate, and also crop. And then you can go to this menu to get the editing tools for video, speed, animation, adjustment, and AI stylize. And here you will have basic menu, HSL, curve, color wheel, and mask. Okay, and I'm just going to, for example, I'm going to split my video. I'm going to make the duration shorter so I can click on split, and I'm just going to click on delete. Okay, and then I'm going to slow down my video. If we want to slow down or increase the speed of our video, we can click on speed. We can slow down or speed up here, and I'm just going to make it slower, just a little bit like this, and this is the result. Okay, and then I'm going to apply effect as well to this video. So I'm going to go to the effect, and then we can select video effect, and to get sticker tags, sticker effect, transition, caption, you need to activate your internet connection. Make sure you have good internet connection to download the effect or sticker. For me, I'm just going to add rain. Okay, just hold on. Okay, for example, I'm going to select the star rain, and I'm going to add the star rain to my video. But now it's still loading, guys. Okay, if we want to apply effect, we just need to click on this plus icon, or we can immediately drag the effect to be placed on our clip or our video. Okay, and now the star rain has been added. Okay, and then you can add tag, sticker, or maybe caption or filter. It's up to you. Okay, and then once you're ready to export it, you just need to click on export, and then you can choose the resolution and also the format. You will have this format on your CapCut, and then you just need to click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit a video using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.